Hello, I'm Rabbit Odson, and I'm a friend of Loyola. I'm here on Loyola's Second Life campus, and I want to talk about another method of communication. There is another tutorial that spoke about chatting and about speaking so that you can hear other people's voices. But a third method of communication is through gestures. So if I click the gesture button, I can choose a few here. This is rock, paper, like rock, paper, scissors. So if I choose this, and maybe I should move out a bit to be able to see that better. And I've shown paper. um, if it has a slash and then a paper here, so if in chat I write slash paper, it plays that gesture. If I click on gesture again, I can view all, and I can see that there are many of them. As I use these, they'll become available to me, so I can whistle. So I whistled, and I think I was pointing at something there. Now, what's really going to be useful is to make your own gestures or modify gestures. I'm not sure what dance is right here. Here, I guess this a character is dancing. In fact, let's take a look at dance 1. Oh, and it just has a single animation there. Okay, well, let's do this. Let's make our own then. It's not very useful. So I'm going to click plus to add a new gesture. Um, we'll just call this test for now. Test gesture. The trigger could be test. We can clear this out and ignore that for now. A shortcut key, you can see that in this window there are almost no shortcut keys for anything. Here's F9. So a shortcut key would be, instead of typing it or choosing it off the gesture menu, you can quickly press F10 or Shift F10 and it'll do this. Now the actual gesture itself is composed down here where it says steps. So in this case I'm going to play an animation and then I'm going to play a sound, and if I preview this it says hey. So I'm going to get rid of these and compose something myself. So start animation I will remove, and the sound I will remove. So I'm going to click on animation. These are the 4 things that I can add to the steps here. So I'll click on the animation and choose add. And now it's added an animation that I should start, but it says none because I have to choose which of these I would like. Now we can bring in other animations, or you can get other animations to add to this list. So let's choose bow. So now I'm going to bow, and then maybe what I'll do is I'll wait. If we don't wait, then everything happens at the same time. So wait until animations are done. And then let's see, I can say add namaste. I think that's how you spell it. Well, let me say peace. And if I just press enter, it gets entered in there. So now I can preview this. Bow. And here it says peace, because I don't really have a lot of sounds. If I go to sound and add, I have none to add. I don't have any sounds in my inventory. We would have to import some of those. So I can animate, I can wait so that things happen in sequence, and I can chat. And all these animations, one after the next, will play for one gesture. So in this case, I could take peace and I could say up. I could take the animation, I could put it down, and so first I'll say peace, peace, and then I begin to bow. So I can just set this to be active and save. So now Shift F10, if I press Shift F10, or if I choose it, let's see, I haven't chosen it. Oh, here we go. Is it called new gesture? Is that what I did? new gesture, and let me just view all to see where this one is again. It's called /test, or I can do /test. And there's my new gesture, and lots of different ways to try it out. Now I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this, so I'll choose it and hit trash can, and maybe this one as well. And now I'll just resort to using these gestures here. Okay, thanks for listening.